principle. All about the green. What you want from me? Motherfucker pushing packs every day. My name is Mike Deeds, come and get it by the way. Yeah, my level's strong, yeah, my levels was nice. I'm pushing the block, now I'm pushing the dough with the ice. What gangster was the gang signs when I was growing up? Daddy with the scale, Marvin never gave a fuck. Yeah, it made me rich, every line that I gotta spit. I ain't no fake motherfucker, you can come and get the pitch. I'm like a Major League Baseball game, homie, I take you out. I'm like a linebacker, hit you without a doubt. What? Yeah, gun to the spleen, gun to your head. Yeah, motherfucker end up dead every day. Talking shit about sympathy, I don't know remorse. I just sit back every line like I spit, I got murdered of course. Mama in the pen, daddy in hell. Yeah, that will preach me, now I got burned in hell. Motherfuckers know me, I'm like an urn. I set your body on fire, I'm never concerned. I rip your chest out and straight feed it to the devil. Homie, you don't know me, I'm burning the silent level. Yeah, every day I'm coming up on the block. Now you wishing you had me. I'm the greatest motherfucker, you never even found me. I stopped recording shit at the age of 18. Now I'm coming up with stacks cause I'm counting the green. See, my shirt is always green, it says Boston Beanery. Yeah, you can test me, get a gun, do you spleen. Motherfucking no, try to act. Yeah, I upload for a fact. Yeah, I'm pushing back. What you know about that? Me the greatest motherfucker in the world, in case you haven't heard. Like a space shuttle, I go fucking berserk. Yeah. Now they want me, huh? Mike Deeds, can you get test me? Yeah. Never knew. Daddy had no clue. Mama bouncing with the ball, better know it too. I got shorty on the pole, so what you wanna do? The dollar down low to the skyscraper, gotta love it too. Yeah, I'm coming up every day, they just wanting me. Yeah, my name was Mystery, now I'm hiding history. Checking out the money, now I'm checking out every day. Shorty coming at me, prices right every day. Like plain go, I'm dropping thousands every day. I'm counting to the ball, double play just by the way. Yeah, I spit with my real gangsters every fucking day. I'm on this mic doing shit cause I want it by the way. Yeah, now I reach the top, I've been at the bottom. I come up so far, now I hit rock bottom. Gotta stay on my brick, gotta stay on my shine. Mike DJ, you strong with the fucking grind, huh?